What if I told you the difference between a broke 30-year-old and a millionaire isn't money, but momentum? Most people in their 20s waste their prime years chasing likes instead of leverage. But today, we're flipping the script. In this video, I'll walk you through the best way to build wealth in your 20s, even if you have zero experience. No trust fund, no rich parents, no secret society, just the truth and a game plan. Stick with me until the end, because the last point is what ties it all together, and it's the one no one's telling you. By the way, if you think a Starbucks iced latte is an investment, this might be a tough video for you, but let's grow anyway. Let's dive in. In your 20s, you have one powerful asset most people ignore: time. But here's the truth. Time only works for you if you use it wisely. Too many drift through these years, living paycheck to paycheck, waiting for the right time to start. Spoiler alert, there is no right time. Building wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. Wealthy people think long-term, broke people think next Friday. Your first move? Learn how money works. Books like The Millionaire Fastlane, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and I Will Teach You to Be Rich should be your Netflix now. Why? Because mindset creates behavior, and behavior, repeated, creates wealth. But what if you have no extra money to start with? That's where the next step changes everything. Forget minimum wage. You need to learn how to sell, code, design, write, or market. These are the money printers of the digital age. No college degree required. Just YouTube, discipline, and consistency. If you've got time to binge 12 episodes of Love is Blind, you've got time to learn email copywriting. Start freelancing, use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Your first gig might pay $50, then $500, then 5 figures. Once you have a skill, you're not just earning, you're leveraging. Take that skill, package it into a course, build a personal brand, start a YouTube channel, faceless like this one, or flip it into a service agency. Relying on one income stream is like betting your life on a single Jenga block. All it takes is one layoff to fall apart. Imagine making money while you sleep. Literally waking up to a Stripe notification instead of an alarm clock. We're building freedom, not just income. So how do you turn income into lasting wealth? That's what separates earners from empire builders. The earlier you invest, the harder your money works for you. Use low-cost index funds. Automate your investments. Max out your Roth IRA. Use your company's 401k match. Even $100 a month invested from age 22 could be over $200,000 by 40. Your money should be working harder than you. But investing isn't just in the stock market. Invest in relationships. Surround yourself with ambitious, disciplined people. Invest in your brand. People don't buy skills, they buy trust. The biggest cost isn't tuition, taxes, or gas, it's missed opportunity. Wealth isn't just about having more, it's about needing less. Ask yourself, does this expense get me closer to freedom or farther from it? Avoid lifestyle creep. Save more as you earn more, but reward yourself for discipline. That balance keeps you in the game. You don't need a Lamborghini, you need options. Time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. And what if I told you the final piece of the puzzle is the 190% of people ignore? Let's bring it home. Want to build wealth? Become the type of person who builds wealth. Wake up earlier, track your spending, read daily, move your body, avoid get-rich-quick traps. It's not what you do once, it's what you do always. Every small, disciplined action is a vote for the future version of yourself. Wealthy, free, confident. You're not just learning how to build wealth, you're becoming someone who never loses it. If you made it this far, you're not average, and your bank account shouldn't be either. Subscribe. Now, if you're serious about building a wealthy life from the ground up, no gimmicks, no fluff, just freedom through action. Drop a comment. I choose wealth. Let's make this decade count. Your 30-year-old self is waiting. Don't keep them waiting too long.